The truth will always win. The truth. Agya Koo be kan okre say Ghana taxpayers sika na ese ye de ka kwan no ne ye de o chefa abrewo. Ye won cheni ni yebo. Blow aibosia na IMF sika na makwaje no. Obi agye ne de. Obi agye ne de won cheni on be che sika ni nyina di. Na me ka che akufo onim na oton Ghana airport na mebo pa ma obi abebo no. Enti se onima enton bibia oba umo obra bia e Ghana so why Japade bia si Ghana akoton no ye ne oni asem dada na e wo ho no emeton period what you make a chiro no si anyansa it's not jaga no it's not
nyina se wadina hospital kula didi me maami atem onim Twene Jonas obedi machi pen
oh sir
concert wabeton CD amaye pen
really
yeah but nani atre nani nton na nsamafo Twene ese e wodo ede beba da bia woni nam nyina me makwane nam ho uye videos nyina nda se ne video bi ba ya okoye delivery ma obi a eno no anya Ghanaian se nipa no ne hu nipa ana bi a ne papa bi ne nana bi wetimi didi chief justice atem attorney general atem chief limam yewura otekoko so atem president Kufuado mama chese president mama obi a
nte nyina wafum
obi a wabɔ ne bra na sebi usi ubedidi na tema ishira no kose na nsamafo Twene ese ye wodo ede beba me mpese me ka US nsema kire no minim chain no o musa New York me kwa ho pa na metena onkonko busa me mabɔ ban ko Dallas babia me ko Chicago min onkonko busa say send me dia grow in US
I ready ya me Twene Jonas Twene akwa we minim dia aya ehano but I think say enyo no because mpanyimfo kan asem bi say aboa osono otofoma tati akura etimi etia ne so yeah that is the point. I'm not referring to MPP. One na na do hold your cry here me. The movie industry hold na here me because I'm a filmmaker. Who told you say senior juma wuntimi enye sika emfansi dan? What are you even saying? That is not the point. Agya Koo na or attack ana or kan ho asem. He is just saying say Twene kwaku Twene se kwasi Twene se kwabna Twene Jonas. Let me tell you point blank. Owo Ghana ha. Na wo udi Agya Koo achi as boy now turn CD. That is the pointer he is raising up. Say he know you. No. And whatever you are saying, a personal or whatever is an attacking issue. It's not about the industry. Don't generalize it. Now then, Krum Hayante Haye Nim Krofwa Senior Mama Enyeska. Why anye YouTube? Anye YouTube nama wenyensa YouTube ni Facebook nama wenyenska ode de oye. Abrochire ben ya ko na. De what you are papa ben na oye. And you are talking nonsense and talking trash. I don't want to insult, but said you would did attempt. You're careful. I'm not attacking you. You are a brother. You are Ghanaian.
We a quick one made the latest year, but may I educate you because you're for no my Jimeno. Real quick one, I may made the latest year. But the mention say so be a brooch na so car back up a crana. A year, Sandy Bacrono, or whisker. A chain would be or high 2-bedroom apartment. Our America. So you should car back up number one, Ubetia insurance every month. And I can't remember one for of sick and a cotoya betia car loan every month. If I say over top petrol every day, and if I say opechinipa every day be out of petrol $40 cry. Bosomeno $1,200. What I say, 2 tier car loan, if I say be a bear $800. And also, Ebeka every month, see, I will clock $2,000. And $2,000 a travel free. And $2,000 a travel no, you be such a ninja. One nama, one year like here, Ubenya ticket, others will bet me speed ticket. And I say, be a bit my pack, yes, baby, wrong packing, Ubenya ticket. And when him rounds on every month car back could be a between $5,000. Oko high 2-bedroom apartment. Oko baby before ni gua. Wati akesi to be $2,000 and $1,800, $1,500. Tiya mechon into obi o car back pebia or American. Always we sikani chain obia or no akwaje danya or tima or bragina Twene Jonas that bonti wa isi kwasia me use cars 22 ebia ye calculate na se ebia consuming $5,000 a month calculated to 22 cars. Mesao if you over 20 houses, but if you any the army can't count because I don't know because you brony na actually me answer ma kwaje keke nam din kofu agum normal high nti omu diska na breme what you say nti vice se bosi akra nam de gigi fie na omu ni tua bosi ane kama me nti orumare gari omu tua fie ni kana ama me keke nmada. And so what you say my houses people are paying for me for free nti enam nkotina ba bi se Twene Jonas ani Agya Koo Agya Koo ntimi nsi sa fie no da abranya kufuado and the taxpayers money e di amano sanso na dana someone ntimi to VAT da ntimi nsi abrosan da abranya kufuado na di sika na momo is a joke. Taxpayers money na jiminati no kure period mani Agya Koo but movie adwuma no ntimi mfa nsi sa fie no period. Obi antie no. Ken George Obibini ba, I see you. I see you are looking fresh today. Thank you, I appreciate you. Junior do was a glass in Kwa 22 houses. I have more houses that I don't even remember because it's easy to be rich in America than to be poor. Opeso than here in America because I don't know. So what Jimmy for my rough of it had the child support to had the child support to but the BIAN said Ujai the oye ko fan could free school never and no party so them could go school Jimmy Kwanti unyeneda and the be a problem but to perceive we scanny and once forget about everybody. Make the money. Once the money come, go sit down, bang for an abe for catch or say perceive we see can go near the 2 fee ma obetiasia come and accept it. Then we will common $50,000 that while meeting at to nice abro sign the amount. Omoto fee the man we are no catch us for 15 years for every month to be a better we say. The one say bro abro sign one saying I'll quote them. What did you know my $2,000 and $3,000. It is at $3,000 in a month to be our mutia every good accounts man a bank for not be $2,000 be a film and I'm $3,000 be a film for Bangalore for 15 years and tenant and also or move to or medical catcher or 1 month and 2 months notice say to now I was handed Diana could go internet so will be with Flabba before from Betnam will be a pedina behind you automatically you are generating money as you sleep. Simple as ABC, but where Jimmy the ad, Ubagini Bibini, yes, never blue scan nam or mubwa. Yes, many PBS can anchor quasi bruni on quaker, conquer phones, Conon Bibini, you are anyway, peace out. Me church them when some may call in appropriate time, no my beba. I'm on the process of making money, but me call lunch could be we are chef leg ni ane am koji me be didi nam so mami me kakra to the peace out in appropriate time no man beba kasa straight up the truth will always win. The truth Agya Koo be kan okre say Ghana taxpayers sika na ese ye de ka kwan no ne ye de o chefa abrewo ye won chenni ni yebo no ai bosiana IMF sika na makwaje no obi a gene de won chenni on be che sika ni nyina di na me ka che akufo onim no oton Ghana airport na mebo pa ma obi abebo no enti se onima enton bibia oba umo obra bia e Ghana so why Japade bia si Ghana akoton no ye ne oni asem dada na e wo ho no emeton period what you make ka che no si anyansa it's not a jag anymore it's not.
But seriously speaking, know your boundaries. Adeba akone say panyin ubenyini ababeto what you say ubenyi ababeto and you are even saying something say wo a work our bruchire and wo sikache obi o fie e wa bruchire. How dare you and what are you even talking about? What are you even talking about? Because of semi work me use sika the year we full me ye chemi na matua duty me take it no whatever me tuatua say me if I drive recklessly na me pechini na me spend it I overspend that doesn't mean I have money. No, just think right and say certain things right. What do I say? I don't even want to go any deeper. The point is, Agya Koo has gotten his money. Now back in 2008, Hebra, ye na ne Kumasi o, sini without Agya, na sini nye sini. And that time, of course, it was not paying like today. Say, you be location, I man a 20,000. But I got to a point and I just 8,000 cedis. Now, in a day, and I say in a week, a Jack can shoot more than 5 movies. And if he's taking 8,000 times 5, I saying. So he got a lot of money from that time. What do I say? But BIAN a planning and investment. You can't say you are completing it this time in this time no when you scar. That's not the point. He can do investment. Investment be any time a mature. My friend, I don't. One moment, some no cry. Nana, yeah. Stop here, I don't cry.
Satam Ghana ni ba wo sika pa wo sika ni hotel to aso be 49 o se sen a wo New York.
Yeah.
Manhattan me da me ne katawre e ko ni nche wo ni office wo ho ko chia no o musa ya enti ba bi odi nam ni nyina no ye fa ho na honto no bo ase Ghana fo de akomapa ni adwemutie ana o de te o ti no o mo se o mo nya hwe na ko ye nkrofu bia enka bia unfa unya no toto
afa ba